Bonjour et bienvenue à cette 5e session de français en ligne. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes mercredi 22 avril 2020. Répète avec moi. Mercredi 22 avril 2020. Très bien. Mercredi 22 avril 2020. Alors, today's two things. Today we are going to do the collection of last week exercises, okay, with the nationalities, the language, the city, okay, and we are going to finish with the new point, the numbers. So today you are going to master how to count from 20 to 69, de 20 à 69. Okay? So you are going to see that it's very easy. Very, very easy. Okay? So I'll let you enjoy those videos to practice. Okay? By say those, use also the video of last week if you still have hesitation, doubts. Come back on my explanations. I'm going to recap anyway on the collection. So make sure you have everything, okay, to work. Just as I told you, there are new things, but in the same time you already master the basis to be able to understand. So you just have to learn then some words, but if you know, for example, the countries, the feminine, the masculine, le and la, you're done, okay? And same with the numbers. If you know to count from 1 to 9, you're done too. Ok? So, c'est parti. Ok, c'est parti. So last week we had to work on the city, la ville, the country, le pays, the nationality and the matern language. Matern refer to the mother. Ok? La nationalité et la langue maternelle, the language you speak, you're born with. And the exercises. So we are going to collect it together, so please take your pencil, prends le crayon, et on corrige ensemble, or we collect together. Alors, the first exercise you had to say j'habite à. Remember, à refers to a city. So I live in a city. Donc you always have to say à. Okay? So that you had to do it last week. J'habite à Abu Dhabi, j'habite à Dubaï, j'habite à Sharjah, j'habite à Al Quwain, j'habite à Fujairah, j'habite à Ras Al Khaimah, j'habite à Ajman. And it can be the same for all the cities in the world. J'habite à Paris, j'habite à Rio, j'habite à Madrid, j'habite à Rome. Okay? So that was that exercise. Second point, we had the country. So remember, you have the féminine, le féminin, et le masculin, le. Nearly all the countries are feminine. They all bring a I at the end. Qu'est-ce la France, la Jordanie, la Colombie. Some are masculine, remember. Le Portugal, le Cameroun, le Maroc. They're gonna have a le, because they don't end with a final I. And we have an exception, le Mexique. Okay? There are 6 countries, but I told you I want you to focus on Mexique. Okay? And then, pour le pluriel, les États-Unis d'Amérique, les Émirats Arabes Unis, les Philippines. Donc pour le recap, voilà. All the countries with a I, you put là. La Colombie, la France, l'Irlande, ok, féminine, la Belgique, l'Australie, exception, le Mexique, masculin, le Luxembourg, le Portugal, et on a les Émirats Arabes Unis, because there are 7 nations in 7 Emirates. So it's a group of Emirates, so it's gonna be plural. So for the second part, when you want to say I live in, the same as j'habite à. To speak about the country, all the countries feminine will wear en, and all the countries masculine will wear o. And the plural will be o with a x. Donc pour la France, j'habite en France, j'habite en Tunisie, j'habite en Irlande, j'habite au Portugal, j'habite au Panama, j'habite au Pakistan, because they don't wear e at the end. Pour le pluriel, j'habite aux États-Unis d'Amérique, j'habite aux Émirats Arabes Unis et j'habite aux Philippines. You can see that with the X, when the word starts with a vowel, we are going to say the. J'habite aux États-Unis, j'habite aux Émirats. Okay? Because of the X. You won't do it with the masculine form. Au Portugal, au Panama. They are all consonant. Okay? On complète les phrases suivantes. J'habite en Tunisie, la Tunisie. J'habite au Japon, le Japon. J'habite aux États-Unis, les États-Unis. J'habite en France, la France. Same en Allemagne, l'Allemagne. Au Canada, le Canada. En Irlande, l'Irlande. Because of the vowel. So you're now able to mention a country and say that you live in a country. Okay? So make sure, if you have questions, go back on the last video with all the points I already explained, but you just have to check if the country wear a E at the end. With that, it's feminine. The rest, it's all masculine. La nationalité, or the nationality. So I told you there are adjectives of nationalities, and we write them with a E when they are feminine. Example, je suis allemand, je suis allemande. So when it's masculine and it finishes with a consonant, you don't pronounce it. You are going to pronounce it because of the E when it's a girl. Allemand, allemande. Exception with espagnol because the final letter it's a L, so you have to say it. And the E is mute, so espagnol. You say the same, only for the writing you know you speak about a girl. Some of them already end with a E when they are boy, so it will be the same when they are girl. You don't change anything. Exception with Greek and Turk. Greek, to say I'm Greek, and when you say a girl, you have to put QE, QE for Greek and Turkish. Okay? Turk, Turk. But you say the same. Some other nationalities, the common one that you are going to see, they are nearly all finishing with E, wa, un, et un. Okay? And just to make sure, here you're gonna have to put a E. But here, when it's finishing with N, EN, you have to double N and to put a E. Indien, Chilien, Colombien, okay? And you are going to say Colombienne, Canadien, doubling the N. Donc, les pays, les nationalités, les langues. So we are going to recap everything right now. So this we already did in the point. Okay, the other languages. Le français, l'arabe, l'anglais, le russe, l'espagnol, le portugais. Make sure that in French we don't use any capital letters. Okay, any capital letters for the language, for the nationality. Okay, capital letter only when you refer the people. Les Français. Okay, the French people. In that context, you put a capital letter, but we'll never see that together, so never put a capital letter. Only for the country. Donc la France, français, française, le français, so you can see AIS. Le Portugal, le portugais, portugaise. Okay, and you speak le portugais, portuguese, portugais, portugaise. La Chine, chinois, chinoise. Le Maroc, marocain, marocaine. Le Brésil, brésilien, brésilienne. Et on parle le portugais. Okay? It was a Portuguese colony before being an independent country, so Portuguese is the official language in Brazil. La Colombie, colombien, colombienne. L'espagnol, same. It was an ex-colony of the Spanish Empire, like the Portuguese Empire, and Spanish is the first official language, like in Mexico, le Mexique, mexicain, mexicaine, l'espagnol. L'Italie, italien, italienne, et on parle l'italien. L'italien. Okay? You can see that the language is always the masculine form of the nationality. Donc l'italien, l'Australie, australien, australienne, et on parle anglais. Les Émirats arabes unis, émirati, émirati, with the I at the end, et on parle arabe. Et la Tunisie, tunisien, tunisienne, double in the end, l'arabe. Ok? And to recap, this you had to do it, but you already have the sentences, so you just have to personalize by yourself. Here you had to do your flag, so I did by France, la France. Le drapeau français, drapeau means flag, ok? Drapeau means flag. Donc bleu, blanc, rouge, hein. Bleu, blanc, rouge, pour les couleurs. And you had to finish with the nationality of those four famous people. On a Shakira qui est colombienne, on a Cristiano Ronaldo qui est portugais, Eva Green qui est française, et Neymar Junior qui est brésilien. Donc les joueurs de football, elle est actrice, she's actress and mannequin, model, I mean. Cristiano Ronaldo, il est portugais, joueur de foot, Shakira colombienne, qui est chanteuse, singer, chanteuse. Voilà, and you are all done for the collection. Make sure you put pause, go back on the last video. If you still have questions, please contact me and I'll be helping you with that. Okay, so to start with the numbers, les nombres de 20 à 69. So to study the numbers, we did it from 1 to 20, okay? I want you to focus, and I told you the most important numbers, they are the one from 1 to 9, de 1 à 9. Okay? Including 0 is the same in English, but you have to put the accent. So you have to know them. You have to know them and to know how to write them. It's only 9 words, guys, and they are the most important one. Without that, we can't do anything with the numbers. It's the same in English. It's the same logic. So what do you need to know and to have? To count from 1 to 60, 69. Okay, so to be able to count from 20 to 60, we are going to repeat the same process each time. So you have to know that, and you're done. With that, it's 100%, guys. You need to know the numbers from 1 to 9. You need to learn the numbers. How to say 20, how to say 30, how to say 40, how to say 50, how to say 60 in French. It's only 5 words, and you have to connect them with that. And you're done. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. And with that, you master the numbers from 1 to 69. Okay? We won't be doing this today because we did enough. We will come back on later. And obviously at the end with the activities that we are going to do. Donc, c'est parti. We are going to start with the number 20. So what I want you to do. We are going to work on, we are going to see the rules, we are going to repeat, you have to repeat after me, and here I want you to write it again. Like that you practice a little bit the writing and you need to socialize with those numbers. Okay? Once more is the same as in English. You say in English, alors 20, okay? V-I-N-G-T, Don't forget that we put GT at the end. If not, that's another word. 20. I want you to repeat. 20. Okay, so the same in English, it will be 20. 20 will be 20. And then what we are going to do in English? From 20 then, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay guys? Et bien it's the same in French. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The only difference with the English is that in French, when we speak about the numbers, to match them, we say in French 20 and 1, 20 and 2, 20 and 3. And the and is declined in two forms. Each time when we start with the number 1, you are going to put a, the word and, okay? And then you won't repeat a, you are going to put the dash, okay? Because you already know it's a. So you put the dash to match, okay? So this is imperative. It's in red because if you don't put it once more, I can't put the full point on that. You need to know. You need to know it. That's the correct number. It's with the union between and. Both means and. Okay? And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the number 20, 20. Okay? So, today, aujourd'hui, on est le mercredi 22 avril 2020. Okay? So you'll be able to speak about the days in the date now. So you can see that it is easier than you think. If you know how to count from 1 to 10, then everything goes smoothly. Like in English, 1 to 9, and it is once more the same logic with French and English. The only thing you have to remember is that the dash and a both means and. Okay? You can see, as I told you, a and the dash. With the number 1, we put a, which means and, 21. And then we put the dash from 2 to 9. That will be the same for all the other one. I want you to copy the numbers. So now you know 10 and you know 20. Now we are going to go 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, and each time you are going to put the dash and the number. Okay? So 30 will be 30. Répète. 30. 40. It's 40. Okay? 40. 50. 50. Et 60, 60. 60. I'm sorry, it was not meant to be capital letters. I don't know what happened, but just write it in small letters. Okay? 60, 60. Donc 10. Répète. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So once more, don't be afraid. Okay, I know it's a new step. I am adding new things, But when you already know the logic, then it's the same. You only have to know that. Because you already know 1 to 9. So if you know 1 to 9, you can do all the numbers from 69. I stop at 69 for some good reason because we are going that part further. Okay? First we do that and then I'll be adding this later. Okay? Alors, now what you have to do. To show you that all it's easy, look what you have. I did a table. Donc 30, 40, 50, 60. Here you have the lines of 1, of 2, of 3, okay? You have the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I want you to do in the column, it's to continue. Here you have 31. So you know that you have to put the same, because everything is the same, but with 40, 50, 60. So I will do 3 or 4 with you to give you an idea of what you have to do. Okay? I won't be able to put both colors, so I'm writing all in black. Donc 31. If I want to say 40 with the number 1, I told you, when it's with the number 1, we'll always put A. Donc 40 et 1. And I'm reducing the letter because it's not fitting. Voilà. Ok? Donc 31, 41, and you have to do the same. 51, 61. And then remember, from 2 to 9, de 2 à 9, dash. 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 Dash, dash, dash. Ok? Tiret. Dash is tiret. Tiret. Okay, so now I want you to fill, okay, all the table. You fill it. I'm going to check that next week. Okay, so when you post the work, you have to do it. That's very important. Okay, and like that you practice the writing for all. From the 30 à 69. Remember that we already did for 21, you already wrote it. So it's why we don't do 20, because we continue. Okay? So that you know how to do from 20 to 69. So you can see that it's a lot of numbers, but you only have to know that. Because the main work has been done and it was to practice from 1 to 9. So I don't know if you follow, I don't know if you understand what we are doing, but once more, just make sure you know, okay, the decades, 20, 40, 50, 60, and then you just have to add the numbers. So that's pretty easy to do. Okay? Just want to make sure that it's done. So 21, 61, de 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, so 21, and I want you same to write it all. Okay? To write the line of 1 with A to make sure you get it. Don't forget that the dash comes then from 2 to 9, and only with the number 1 we put A. That's the only thing you have to remember. That's the most difficult that you can learn about the numbers today to avoid a mistake. If not, you know how to count from 1 to 9, and you already know now how to say 30, 40, 50, and 60 in French. Okay, guys? So, I give you the first activity. So that's about the phone number. So when I give you the phone number in the previous activities, obviously it was from 1 to 9. But I'm going to tell you something is that in French, the phone number we used to speak with the decades. So it would be 07, 43, 61, 55, and 48. We speak like that with the numbers. So we have 10 numbers, but we cut it in 5 parts. I'm going to show you, no worries. But as I'm French teacher, you learn about French, and you have to learn also about French culture. You have to know that in France, the phone numbers, France is divided in 5 régions, 5 regions or areas, zones, 5 zones. The number 1 is the region of Paris. Okay? Number 2, the Northwest. Number 5, the Southwest. And then we have the Southeast and the Northeast. Okay? Donc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when we speak about the phone numbers, to know the zone where you come from, you have to mention the 0. Always. Donc you have to start the phone number with 02, 01, 03, 05, 04. Okay? I won't give you the cities, it's not the point today. But remember, we already work on some cities with the audios. You remember Colette comes from Trouville, Elodie comes from Bordeaux, Lucille comes from Bordeaux, and we have Charlotte comes from Strasbourg. Strasbourg, okay, on number 3. Trouville, there, around there, donc c'est number 2. Et Bordeaux, it's here, ici, 0,05. Et Paris, 0,1. Okay? Bon, that is not the point. I don't want you to learn that. It's just for you to know that we have 5. When you want to call in a fix, in a phone, a station phone. Okay? So, look at it. I share with you this map of France for the phone calls. France is divided in 5 areas. Le 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. That corresponds to the first 2 numbers to press out of 10. So we have 10 numbers. We have 10 numbers, and we divide in 5. Donc, Paris start with the number 1, le 01. Trouville starts with 02. Strasbourg starts with 03. And Bordeaux starts with 05. Because of the cities, the map. Okay? So when someone is calling you and you see it's a 01, you say, they call from Paris. If you want to call someone also to his smartphone, the first numbers will be 06 et 07. So 06, 07, it's only for smartphone. Only. Okay? Why 07? Alors, it's because we use all of the options, all the combinations of phone number with 06. So now they had to put 07 to continue after 06. And then it will be 08. I mean, 08 already exists for other phones numbers. But anyway, it's to show that 06, 07 smartphone exclusively for your mobile phone. Okay? Well, I will give you an example. Exemple, je m'appelle Jean, mon numéro de téléphone est le. Donc je m'appelle Jean, this you know, mon numéro de téléphone, téléphone it's phone, donc mon numéro de téléphone, my phone number, est means is, and then you will say the. It's the, you have to say the article. Once more, the article is systematic, even front of the phone number. So you would say my phone number is the 02 38, 47, 21, 52. Je répète, mon numéro de téléphone est le 02 38 47 21 52. Okay? So that was for the example. Now you will have to listen. Pierre, Marianne et Elsa. They will give you their phone number, the same as I did. Okay? So I give you in the French way to do. So you can see that 02, we have to say 0 and we know the area where you come from. And then you give 2 by 2. 38, 47, 21, 52. If it was in English, we would say 02 36 47 2152. Okay? In French, no. We cut. We have to make it shorter. Okay? We only give phone numbers and the 02. And it will be the same here. Here and here. I will be clement. I won't be giving you okay, tricky. I will make it easy. Okay? Bon, that's for the first activity. Activité 2, like we did from 10 to 20. You remember les mathématiques, on écrit les résultats en lettres. So you write the result in letters. Hein? In letters. So to make sure, I want to do the first with you. Actually, no, not the first. We are going to do this one. 51 plus 7. Donc 51 plus 7. We are going to add 7 à 51. Donc 50 dash 1 et puis on met 8. Because 1 plus 7 égale 8. And then you have the decade. Donc 58. Okay, process like that. You have to check the unit. Okay, check the unit. For subtraction and addition. 7 plus 1, 8. 5, 58. Here, 46 moins 5. Pareil. Focus only on the unit and then you have the answer if you have a doubt. And don't forget, it's the same in English, so that is going to be very quick. And once more, you have filled that, so you have the answers here. Okay? And use that also. Use that to do this. And here, make sure you write the same. And you are done. Now you know how to count from 0 to 69, guys. Voilà, we finished. Je m'appelle Pierre. Mon numéro de téléphone est le 01 40 31 09 16. Je répète, mon numéro de téléphone est le 01 40 31 09 16. Bonjour, je m'appelle Marianne. Mon numéro de téléphone est le 03 54 32 31 49. Je répète, mon numéro de téléphone est le 03 54 32 31 49. Bonjour, je m'appelle Elsa. Mon numéro de téléphone est le 05 16 21 44 59. Je répète, mon numéro de téléphone est le 05 16 21 44 59. Bon, on a fini. C'est fini pour cette semaine. I hope you enjoyed this video to learn more. And à la semaine prochaine. Au revoir.